Chapter 10 Multiplication. Warm-up activity. Repeated addition. Mahima is arranging plates on the table for the guests. She has put 2 samosas in each plate. There are 5 plates on the table. So, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 10 samosas. This is called an addition fact. When a number is added to itself many times, it is called repeated addition. Multiplication. Look at the jars. There are 4 jars. Each jar has 3 marbles. When each group has the same number, we use a shorter method instead of repeated addition. This method is called multiplication. The sign of multiplication is this. So, instead of 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12, we write 4 multiplied 3 is equal to 12. We read it as 4 times 3 is 12 or 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Here, 12 is the product and this is the sign of multiplication. Remember, the answer of multiplication is called product. Multiplication tables. Count and build the table of 1. 1 multiplied 1 is equal to 1. 2 multiplied 1 is equal to 2. 3 multiplied 1 is equal to 3. 4 multiplied 1 is equal to 4. 5 multiplied 1 is equal to 5. 6 multiplied 1 is equal to 6. 7 multiplied 1 is equal to 7. 8 multiplied 1 is equal to 8. 9 multiplied 1 is equal to 9. 10 multiplied 1 is equal to 10. Count and build the table of 2. 1 multiplied 2 is equal to 2. 2 multiplied 2 is equal to 4. 3 multiplied 2 is equal to 6. 4 multiplied 2 is equal to 8. 5 multiplied 2 is equal to 10. 6 multiplied 2 is equal to 12. 7 multiplied 2 is equal to 14. 8 multiplied 2 is equal to 16. 9 multiplied 2 is equal to 18. 10 multiplied 2 is equal to 20. Count and build the table of 3. 1 multiplied 3 is equal to 3. 2 multiplied 3 is equal to 6. 3 multiplied 3 is equal to 9. 4 multiplied 3 is equal to 12. 5 multiplied 3 is equal to 15. 6 multiplied 3 is equal to 18. 7 multiplied 3 is equal to 21. 8 multiplied 3 is equal to 24. 9 multiplied 3 is equal to 27. 10 multiplied 3 is equal to 30. Count and build the table of 4. 1 multiplied 4 is equal to 4. 2 multiplied 4 is equal to 8. 3 multiplied 4 is equal to 12. 4 multiplied 4 is equal to 16. 5 multiplied 4 is equal to 20. 6 multiplied 4 is equal to 24. 7 multiply 4 is equal to 28. 8 multiply 4 is equal to 32. 9 multiply 4 is equal to 36. 10 multiply 4 is equal to 40. Count and build the table of 5. 1 multiply 5 is equal to 5. 2 multiply 5 is equal to 10. 3 multiply 5 is equal to 15. 4 multiply 5 is equal to 20. 5 multiply 5 is equal to 25. 6 multiply 5 is equal to 30. 7 multiply 5 is equal to 35. 8 multiply 5 is equal to 40. 9 multiply 5 is equal to 45. 10 multiply 5 is equal to 50. We can write these tables as table of 1, table of 2, table of 3, table of 4, table of 5. Multiplication on the number line. Let us learn multiplication on the number line. Find the product of 4 multiplied 3. 4 multiplied 3 can be written as 4 times 3. So, start from 0 and take 4 jumps of 3 each. We reach at 12. Thus, 4 multiplied 3 is equal to 12. Skip counting. Skip counting is skipping and counting. We have to fix a number to skip. Start the count from any given number. Skip the fixed number and count. Look at the following example. We have started from 2 and colored the bricks by leaving a number in between. This is called counting by 2 as we have counted every second number. Remember, skip counting is adding a fixed number to the sum. This is skip counting by 3 as we have counted every third number. Multiplication facts. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Look at the picture. There are 4 plates. Each plate has 0 laddus. So, 4 multiplied 0 is equal to 0. There are 0 laddus. Any number multiplied by 1 is the number itself. Look at the picture. There are 4 plates. Each plate has 1 laddu. So, 4 multiplied 1 is equal to 4. There are 4 laddus in all. Multiplying vertically by 1-digit numbers. Multiplication of a 1-digit number by a 1-digit number. Sonia has 5 boxes of 3 oranges each. Let us help Sonia to find the total number of oranges. Multiply 5 by 3. So, there are total 15 oranges. Multiplication of a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. Raghav bought 12 sets of 4 pencils each. Let us help Raghav to find the number of pencils he bought. Multiply 12 by 4. Step 1. Write the numbers in the column form. Step 2. Multiply the ones. 4 multiplied 2 ones is equal to 8 ones. Write 8 in the ones column. Step 3. Multiply the tens. 4 multiplied 1 tenth is equal to 4 tenths. Write 4 in the tens column. So, he bought 48 pencils. Word problems. Example. One page of a notebook contains 12 lines. How many lines are there in 3 such pages? Number of lines in one page is equal to 12. Number of lines in 3 pages is equal to 12 multiplied 3 is equal to 36.